How to create image polls on YouTube Community tab. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On your web browser, go to youtube.com. In your youtube.com, at the top right corner, you will see your channel icon. Click on that and select the option YouTube Studio. You will only be able to use image poll option if you have more than 500 subscribers. If you do, click on Create, then select Create Post. Now you will land to your channel. Now under Post, you will see the image poll option. Click on Image Poll. Now here you will see different options. You can click on the image icon to upload image from your PC. Once you upload the image, write an option. You can describe the image so that viewers can choose. You can simply write option 1, option 2 or option 3. Once you have written the caption, scroll down and publish the poll. If you want more than 3 options, you can click on Add option. Once you add photo, you can post the poll. After some time, you can see all the responses. That's all for today. Thank you.